Welcome to our lesson about the shell tool. In my graphic area, I've got a 100mm cube. Let's begin by activating the shell command. Let's leave the wall thickness at 10mm and accept the default parameters. Nothing seems to have happened. However, let's change the display. Actually, wireframe will be better for this. As you see, the model is hollow inside. Let's return to Shaded with Edges view. And let's edit this feature. Here's the Faces to Remove selection box. Let's select this face. Let's check Show Preview. There it is in yellow. And Accept. Now we've got a hollow solid. Let's edit Shell 1. And let's try the Shell Outward option. Accept. Let's edit Shell 1 again. And let's uncheck Shell Outward. Let's take a look at the multi-thickness settings down below. This enables us to create shells of varying thickness. I'll select this face. And let's apply a thickness of 20mm. Now this face. Let's make it 30mm. And click Accept. And now we have what's called a multi-thickness solid. Let's right-click on Shell 1, Edit again. Actually, let's cancel out of Shell 1. Let's create another shell. Shell Tool. Accept the default parameters. Let's go to Wireframe View. And as you see, there is another cavity. Back to Shaded with Edges. Let's edit Shell 2. Faces to remove. Let's check Show Preview and click Accept. Obviously, this wall was thick enough to allow us to create a shell. Let's create another shell. Activate the tool. 5mm thickness. Faces to remove. And let's show the preview. OK. Let's create another shell now. The wall thickness will be 3mm. Now let's select the faces to remove and check Show Preview so we can see what's going on. Let's accept. And this concludes our lesson about the shell command.